Go.
You ready?
That is not the outcome we were expecting. Is that it? Waterboarding? Is that waterboarding?
What do you do?
He didn't do anything.
We should take him to the hospital.
Yeah, he might need to go to the hospital.
He didn't move.
Yeah, he is breathing.
No hospital.
You're
You're not going to the hospital, buddy.
Can you move?
Uh-huh.
Are you comfy?
Uh-huh.
Show me 2 fingers.
Can I see?
Yay!
Can I see?
At least we didn't do flowers.
Can I see?
It's just a drunk guy.
That was awesome. Man, this is like a totally different outcome.